Nollywood actor Adams Kehinde, popularly known as Lege Miami, is in a heated online fight with social media critic Martins Vincent Otse, popularly known as Verydarkman (VDM). Their clash has taken center stage on social media, with both men making serious allegations against each other. The drama started when VDM reminded the public of an old case from 2021, where Lege Miami was allegedly accused of improper behavior with a 16-year-old girl. VDM claimed that this was the real reason Lege left Nigeria. He also hinted an issue between the actor and First Bank, but he did not give details. VDM also challenged Lege to explain what really happened between him and the young girl. Lege Miami reacted to the accusations in a new video. He did not directly address the claims, but instead insulted VDM. He told him to dig up his late mother's dead body, since he was so interested in people's pasts. Lege also doubled down on his demand that VDM must show his parents' JSS3 school certificate. He warned that he would continue fighting the critic on social media no matter what.
Verydarkman, I've been waiting for you since yesterday to provide your father JSS3 certificate results and your mother JSS3 certificate results.
The clash between Lege and VDM has sparked massive reactions online. Many people now asking, did Lege really do it? Others believe VDM is only digging up the past to embarrass the actor. Some social media users criticize Lege for not clearly denying the accusations. As of now, Lege Miami has not provided a clear response to VDM's claims. Many people are waiting to see what happened next in this heated online battle. We'll continue to monitor the story for more new developments. Please stay tuned to NaijaNews TV.